Imagine this situation. You walk into a restaurant in another country. The place looks beautiful. People are enjoying their meals. But suddenly the waiter comes to you and asks a question in English, and you freeze. You want to reply. But you're not sure what to say. Don't worry. In this video, you will listen to a natural conversation at a restaurant. By the end of this conversation, you will know exactly what to say when you order food in English. Let's begin. It is a pleasant evening. Rahul walks into a small but cozy restaurant. Soft music is playing in the background. The smell of freshly cooked food fills the air. Rahul looks around and walks toward the entrance desk. A waiter notices him and smiles politely.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant.
Good evening.
How many people are dining with you tonight?
Just one. It's only me.
No problem at all. Do you prefer a table near the window or somewhere quieter?
A window seat would be nice if it's available.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is your table, sir. I hope this seat is comfortable for you.
Yes, this is perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
The waiter places a menu on the table.
Here is the menu. Please take your time looking through it.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I think I would.
What would you like to drink?
Do you have fresh orange juice?
Yes, we do. It's actually one of our most popular drinks.
Great. I'll have a glass of fresh orange juice, please.
Certainly. One fresh orange juice.
The waiter writes it down.
I'll bring that for you right away.
Thank you.
The waiter walks away toward the counter. Rahul quietly looks through the menu. He reads the different dishes carefully. A few minutes later, the waiter returns with the drink.
Here is your orange juice, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have you had enough time to look at the menu, or would you like a few more minutes?
I might need a little more time. There are many options here.
Of course. Take your time. If you have any questions about the menu, I'll be happy to help.
Actually, I do have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
What dish do you usually recommend for someone who is visiting for the first time?
That's a great question. If you like something flavorful but not too heavy, I would recommend the grilled chicken with herb sauce.
That sounds interesting.
It's served with roasted vegetables and a side of garlic mashed potatoes.
That does sound good.
Rahul looks at the menu again for a moment.
Is the grilled chicken very spicy?
Not really. It's more savory than spicy. But if you prefer, the chef can adjust the spice level.
No, that should be fine.
Would you like to try that dish?
Yes, I think I'll go with the grilled chicken.
Excellent choice.
But before that, I was also thinking about ordering a starter.
That's a great idea. Our starters are quite popular.
What would you suggest?
Many customers enjoy the tomato soup or the garlic bread with cheese.
I think I'll try the tomato soup.
Very good.
The waiter writes down the order.
So that's one tomato soup as a starter and the grilled chicken for the main course.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes.
That sounds great.
Please enjoy your drink in the meantime.
Thank you.
The waiter smiles and walks away to place the order in the kitchen. Rahul takes a sip of his orange juice and looks out the window. The restaurant feels warm and relaxing. A few minutes later, the waiter returns carrying a bowl of soup.
Here we are, one tomato soup.
That looks delicious.
Please be careful, it's still hot.
Thank you for letting me know.
Would you like some bread with that?
Yes, that would be nice.
I'll bring some fresh bread right away.
Thank you.
Rahul tastes the soup.
Wow. This soup is really good.
The waiter returns with bread.
Here is the bread.
Perfect timing.
I'm glad you're enjoying the soup.
Yes, it's excellent.
I'll check back with you in a few minutes.
Sure, thank you.
Rahul continues enjoying his meal slowly. Rahul continues enjoying his soup slowly. A few minutes later, the waiter returns to the table.
How is the soup, sir?
It's really good. I like the flavor. It's very fresh.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yes, it's perfect for this evening.
Would you like some more bread?
No, thank you. I think this is enough for now.
All right, please take your time. Your main course will be ready shortly.
Great, thank you.
Rahul finishes the soup and relaxes for a moment. He looks around the restaurant. The atmosphere feels calm and comfortable. After a few minutes, the waiter returns carrying a plate.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Here is your grilled chicken with herb sauce.
The waiter gently places the plate on the table.
And here are the roasted vegetables and garlic mashed potatoes.
Wow, that looks amazing.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Would you like some extra sauce or anything else?
No, this looks perfect.
All right, please enjoy your meal.
Rahul begins eating slowly. After taking the first bite, he smiles.
This is really delicious. It's excellent.
A few minutes later, the waiter walks by again.
How is everything?
The chicken is very tender.
I'm happy to hear that.
Yes, you made a great recommendation.
Thank you. I'll let the chef know you liked it.
Please do.
Rahul continues eating. After finishing most of the meal, he takes a sip of water. The waiter approaches again.
May I clear your plate, sir?
Yes, of course.
The waiter gently removes the plate.
Did you save some room for dessert?
Rahul laughs softly.
Maybe a little.
We have a few popular desserts tonight.
Really? What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is a favorite. We also have vanilla ice cream and classic cheesecake.
Rahul thinks for a moment.
The chocolate lava cake sounds tempting.
It is definitely worth trying.
All right, I'll take the chocolate lava cake.
Excellent choice.
And maybe a cup of coffee as well.
Certainly. Would you like black coffee or coffee with milk?
Coffee with milk, please.
Perfect. I'll bring that shortly.
The waiter walks toward the kitchen again. A few minutes later, he returns with the dessert and coffee.
Here we are, 1 chocolate lava cake and a cup of coffee with milk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please enjoy.
Rahul takes a small bite of the cake.
Wow, that's amazing.
Waiter smiles.
It's one of my personal favorites.
I can see why.
Rahul slowly finishes the dessert and drinks his coffee. After a while, the waiter returns.
I hope you enjoyed everything tonight.
Yes, I did. The food was wonderful.
That's great to hear.
Could I get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
A minute later, the waiter returns with the bill.
Here you are, sir.
Rahul looks at the bill and nods.
All right.
He places his card on the small tray.
You can charge it to my card.
Certainly.
The waiter processes the payment and returns shortly after.
Here is your card, and here is your receipt.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure serving you tonight.
The pleasure was mine. Everything was excellent.
We hope to see you again soon.
I will definitely come back.
Have a wonderful evening, sir.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Rahul stands up, smiles, and walks toward the exit. And that is how a simple and natural conversation at a restaurant might sound in English. Now you know what to say when you order food, ask questions, enjoy your meal, and pay the bill. The next time you visit a restaurant, you can speak with confidence. Practice these conversations, and soon speaking English will feel easy and natural.